All right, well, we've got a kind of a fun day today again. We're going to be going and shooting guns again today, but we're going to be in a different spot today. I've got a buddy of mine, Ryan, coming out. We're going to head down to the lake to their shooting range, and we're going to do some drills and sight some guns in, shoot some guns, and just have a good time today. But I've got a new one that I'm going to show him. There he is. Oh, it's getting sloppy already.
It's all-wheel drive.
A little sloppy. What do you think it is?
Black? No, it's not a black powder.
No, I wouldn't waste more money on a black powder.
300 Win. No? Yeah.
I think it's 300 Win. Mm-hmm. Grab it.
Oh, another AR.
Watch that. Watch this.
Oh, sucky.
But yeah.
Yeah, check this thing out.
Grab that end, would you?
Man, why is it always I gotta grab the end? I'll shake it for you too.
Okay. Don't get it on my leg. I gotta get a case for it, but
Yeah, Glock G19 9.
look at that mess we had to come in through. Pretty nasty. That's just one section coming down the hill, but we got in here. So this is a shooting range that we use here. We've got a couple hills here and then 100 yards. Well, I'm glad we got this to ourselves. That's gonna make life a lot easier today. You got stuff that you want to have to sight in first, or? Well, let's get the target out here.
Okay.
That's all I need.
Okay. Where do you want to go with it? Out there?
Yeah, we'll set it up out there, and then we're going to be able to put the target to get used today. It'll be a good time. Good time. Yeah, there's all kinds of trash out here. And actually, it's not, well, down there it's really bad. I wish people would pick their shit up.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
I'm gonna shoot. Come on, people.
And this is why we don't have places like this, because people get tired of picking this shit up and cleaning up. And all right, well, yeah, you don't have to.
Holy crap!
Yeah, they're putting BMGs through that bitch.
Somebody was being a big boy. Somebody was being a big boy with that.
That's probably that dude with the 50 cal. All right, well, I'm gonna shoot that new one at 25. I'm anxious to get that thing out.
You do you, boo.
And then I thought we'd do some like drills, like we could do 100, 75, 50, 25, and then in with pistol.
Okay.
Running. Can you run? I don't know if I can run anymore.
I don't know if I can run.
I might get to the 50 and be like,
this
time out.
This is 230 pounds of weight moving. I'm not worried about running. I'm worried about stopping.
Put those in there.
No, it's not jamming. It's just not firing. Bought some ammo from a
crackhead.
Oh. Well, Wife needed peace.
I hope that it's not that gun. Because some of the old gens, even the SIGs, like when they first came out, had all kinds of problems. Yeah, that's why you get out, so you know what your gun's doing.
Now I'm gonna take this junk.
Throw it in the trash.
I'm gonna try it in that box.
Yeah. How's it going?
It's a little soupy.
It is bad.
You think?
Yeah, it's bad. Are you shooting?
If you don't mind.
Yeah, we're gonna run some drills and stuff, but are you just wanting to sight in a rifle?
Yeah, I got a new scope on my rifle. I was gonna see.
Oh, okay.
Too nice out not to do anything.
I know. Yeah, I was really surprised nobody was down here already. Yeah, I just got a new one too, and I gotta get it sighted in. And
Yeah, I don't know if I like Glock.
why would it do? Fall out?
It just fucking fell apart.
What?
Yeah. Dude, my fucking hand is number than shit right now.
Oh, did it can blow up?
Dude, my fucking hand is like numb. Like,
I didn't see it. What, did it blow up? Is it still charged? You still got one in the chamber?
I don't know yet. Hang on to that. No, that round.
Oh,
It just launched everything right out the side.
dude. Was that reloads?
Yeah.
That's why I don't fuck with reloads. Ready this. All right, here's what happens when you have a bad load. Look at his hand, all the marks there. And then show him the gun. Release is missing, trigger's missing, blew your clip out the back, the carrier,
The whole clip.
the whole
basically
assembly.
exploded.
Does it even rack anymore?
Yeah, but it don't.
Doesn't hold because there's no. So yeah, he had a bad round, it stuffed the barrel and boom, in his hand.
I got the round.
Yeah, where's that round at? We got a lesson there. You guys do your own reloads and
There's that round.
make sure you.
Right there.
So there's the round. Just expanded, blew all that pressure,
Expanded.
blew all the pressure out towards his hand.
There's the clip.
There's his clip, all in pieces. Yep.
Oh, hey.
So
There's
got-
the rest of the brass.
got some fragments there. Nothing in your hand.
Oh, look at that.
There's some more.
There's the rest of it.
What's your name?
Jordan,
Jordan. Lonnie.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jordan, I'm Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Ah, you're a Jeep owner.
Jordan's got a 50 cal he just brought out. There was a day a few weeks ago that he was down here and my buddy was down here and he let him shoot it, and I didn't get down here in time, but he's got the let me show you.
Putting the transmission in one, rear end in one, and the motor in the other one.
Right there she is.
Dude, that thing,
That's
fucking
badass.
God. I remember when those first came out, they were all trash talked them because of the. These are
Nice.
Yeah, I get
All right, I'm anxious to shoot.
pulled up before that party.
Okay, we're gonna get the new one out here.
And we were doing old
And I'll show you what I got here.
I mean, come on. It's a 3/4 ton vehicle. Yeah. It's like, okay, it's like pulling that thing out.
So we've got a Remington.
You know?
This is the 5.56, the
I shot
multi-purpose rifle. We've got a
really feel power.
Strike Eagle from Vortex on there, 1 by 8 by 24. It's got the lighted reticle,
I wanted an M82.
good for long distance, short distance, first focal plane.
Fucker on the top.
Really nice.
I remember that.
So I'm really anxious to get this thing out and shoot it. So let's get after it.
Dude, that really.
Have you shot it standing yet?
Not yet.
Haven't tried that yet.
Not yet.
I'm not man enough to try it.
I keep seeing those people that do the mag dump standing up. It's like, that's $100. Why?
Yeah. Have you seen that?
Why?
Big burly dude, he's standing there and he's got this bitch up in the air and he's like, I mean, just
My buddies are like sending me videos like, you need to do this. I'm like,
no.
like, no. You buy the rounds, I'll put them in there and I'll fucking crank them out.
Yeah, I'm gonna record. Holy shit! Welcome to America. Wow.
Okay, now everybody got their ears on. I don't want to. This little thing's gonna scare the shit out of everybody here.
That literally sounded like half a stick of dynamite going off.
That is so cool. It does. It is so. That thing is so cool.
Jesus, dude.
Damn it!
Yeah, that fucker's right in my head face.
Dude, that thing is so cool.
Gotta be close.
Look at that round. Look at that round.
Okay, here.
It's bigger than the gun. That gives you an idea how big those things are. Oh, Jesus. I hate being the kid with the old bike, but can I shoot that thing?
Have you ever shot one?
I've never shot one.
Oh, dude, you're in for a treat.
Oh my gosh, this is a fun day. When you can be around a 50 cal, that's a fun day.
Right above it. We got it.
That's good. Think we're good. I don't think we're gonna have a problem seeing where that hit. Ooh,
That hit hard.
you're gonna go first?
No, you go first. Oh, you can go first.
You gonna run with the camera?
I can. Yeah,
You're gonna be winded.
I know.
I'm gonna be winded.
I know.
Oh my God, this gun. Heavy. All right.
Fire when ready.
I'm worried about my pistol falling out. Man, I don't know if I got this. Ah.
Oh.
Oh man, I'm all over the place. All over the place.
All over.
That's tough. That is tough. So we did 2, 4,
6
6,
with the rifle. And
7, 8, 9. 9 shots. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. AR.
that's a pistol.
Pistol, AR. So you got 6. Missed 3 with your AR. Missed 1 with your pistol.
Oh, I about got my. All over the place. I'm not used to this gun. All right, well, my run wasn't very good. Ryan's up next with his. I'm gonna see what he can do. See if he can stay up. It gets a little shady out there running. Okay, so you got 2 at the berm, 2 in between, run up, and 2, 2, and 1. That was 2 shots. Oh, you hit stand. You son of a bitch!
Told you I was gonna. Safe. Why didn't that fucker shoot?
I don't know, it's your gun.
Mine sucked. One, that's pistol. Oh, I didn't. I did!
You got one down here. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. Well, you got 2 in there. That's good.
Oh! Yeah.
1 low. So 9 shots altogether. We got 1, 2, 3, 4,
4
5.
with the AR, 1 with the 9. Shit, I ought to shoot that fucker one-handed.
Oh my gosh, that's a tough one.
It's fun. Do it again?
You want to do it again?
Fuck yeah.
Okay.
Ready when you are?
Okay. Safe. Ready?
On.
Shit. I lost my footing.
AR. 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 9. 9. AR.
Yeah, I fell backwards on my last shot.
Tell me when you're ready.
All right, shooter ready?
Ready?
Go. Yep. Yep.
Hey.
You only shot 2?
Yeah.
Oh, it's supposed to be 3.
Oh.
1 in the head. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that one or not?
Yeah. 1,
Is that one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, that's a pistol round there, I think.
Yeah, that's a pistol. Maybe that's pistol.
Yeah, you hit low on one of them, I know.
So I got 1, 2.
That's a pistol right there.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 out of 9.
Let's see what I can do. These gloves, I think it changes.
a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it does.
Two in the chest, right?
See that one? Yep.
That was a hit. Hit. 2, 3. Damn it! You won that one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I got you.
No, you didn't. I got you. I was papering. No. I might have a full. My battery's getting low, but it might be full. My card. Okay, whenever you're ready. You want top or bottom?
Oh, I'm taking it out.
That's what I said, bitch.
I'm always on top.
Now you better be serious. You know where my gun's hitting.